All right, and if you've checked the calendar, you know Easter is right around the corner. Lots of folks stressed out about what to do for dinner. Well, have no fear. Our friends from Bush's, they are here to show us some easy Easter sides. Rochelle, who do you have with you here today?
Hey, Sandra, we have corporate executive chef Russ Palmer, and Bush's brought me some bunny ears, so no complaining about that. Love it. Okay, Sandra talked about the stress, and I personally relate to this a lot because I finally went to my mom and I said, let me take a holiday. Let me take a holiday off your plate. I took Easter and now I'm overwhelmed. I think I need Bush's. Yeah. So what can I do? What can people do to look like you're the host with the most, but you know, it didn't stress you out too much?
No, not at all. You know, if you're hosting Easter and you want to make a beautiful salad for your dinner, I highly recommend this one. It's really just got a lot of color, it's super delicious, and it's very easy.
The presentation, these little melon balls here, I'm like, oh, it's gorgeous, and it's not hard.
No, not at all. So you can get this at your Bush's Fresh Food Market. It's a little melon baller.
Love it. And what's the name of the salad we're making here?
Yep, this is a tri-colored melon caprese salad.
That is so beautiful.
Right there, there's a presentation for you. And really, you're just kind of going in and scooping here. So you've got little melons right here.
People are going to be so impressed.
And you have all of these different colors, so you can just kind of put them in the bowl. Very spring.
We're ready for changing seasons. Hint, hint, Troy. Changing weather, please.
Here
little honey.
A little local honey.
Michigan-made honey.
Right? And you just kind of, you can go right in and drizzle some right in here.
Oh my goodness, that looks unreal.
Yeah, it's fun.
Unreal. Okay, in the finished product, what are these here?
So those are...
Is this like mozzarella?
That's fresh mozzarella in a pearl form. They have all different sizes. That is the smallest one you can find.
Okay.
We're going with a little olive oil.
Olive oil.
Touch of salt. And this is one of my favorite parts, is a little bit of fresh citrus. So this is lime juice right here, fresh right there. And that's your dressing. It's so simple.
It's so doable.
A little bit of fresh herbs. This is cilantro.
And nothing here is especially expensive either. You're not breaking the bank.
Right. You can find all of these components at Bush's Fresh Food Market. It's, you know, everything is just kind of like put together here. You have these little pearls as a garnish, and everything is...
So I want to talk about some of the other things on the table, because I was tinkering around on your website this morning. You can buy your main meats like ham and turkey. I also saw that if you want to opt for the Easter brunch, you sell ready-made quiches.
Right, so we have quiche, we have salads, so we have everything at the deli made for you. I have a little presentation of a Easter dinner that you could have.
And I think I want to start this tradition with my kiddo. This is bunny bait.
That is super fun.
Oh my goodness, what is on this? It looks unreal.
Right, so there's white chocolate, confetti, and pretzels in there.
Oh, so good.
All of our fresh produce. I mean, we have asparagus. It's in season, so it's really just fantastic.
Thank you for taking the weight off of us. Are you hosting Easter?
I certainly am.
Yeah, I feel like you're obligated when you're the executive chef, right? Really quickly, where can people find you?
We have 16 stores, Metro Detroit and Ann Arbor.
Wonderful. Any website?
We do, bushes.com.
Perfect. Easy enough. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'm going to dig into this salad here.